Good morning. This is my presentation, English Level 2. I will start with my personal presentation. Later with my travel experience to the Páramo of Santurban. Weather in the Páramo of Santurban. Finally, recommendation if you go to the Páramo of Santurban. Let's start. My name is Fredy Eduardo Albarracin Helves. I live in California, Department of Santander, with my wife and my 2 children. Work and study administration of company. I like to interpret traditional Colombian music. Stage 1. Going on a trip. Last weekend I went to a farm. I stayed there 3 days and went with my wife and my 2 children. I like it because it was cheap. It just paid $60,000 for each. I like it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, we went to the lagoons of the Páramo and we liked it a lot. We came back very happy Sunday night out because it starts working last Monday. The weather in the Páramo of Santurban is cloudy and freezing, and sometimes it's sunny. Stage 2. Recommendation to the travel to the farm. It is recommended that children warden by adults. It is necessary you wear hat or cap. It is advisable that wear sunblock lotion in the day. It is important that people do not deviate from the road. It is essential that people stay inside the farm. It is better than do not enter their lagoons. It is advisable that check your car before starting the trip. It is important that people do not litter on the farm. Stage 3. Things you should do when planning a trip. You ought to prepare a necessary document for the trip. You should have the money needed for the trip. I will suggest leaving everything in the order before starting the trip. Then you should when planning a trip. You ought not prepare a too large suitcase. You should avoid flings, wheel, and advance. You ought not plan to travel without travel insurance. Thank you so much. Goodbye.